Good morning. Jeffrey Christian from CPM Group. It's Friday, the 9th of October, just before noontime. Wanted to talk a little bit about gold today and as well as silver. You'll see here our precious metals advisory, which came out yesterday. And the front section focuses on the effects or possible effects of the U.S. elections on the precious metals markets. We actually talked both about the presidential election and the Senate election, both of which are very important, and put together a little matrix about who wins which. You have different outcomes. Our most recent trade recommendation on gold, the short-term 5 to 10-day type of recommendations that we make. Our most recent one earlier this week was that the price was likely to continue to rise. We had an initial target of 1950. This was at the time when the price was around 1925, and that had been our objective. We got hit at 1925, and our view was stay long on a short-term basis because this thing is probably going to rise going into the election and after the election. The price promptly fell off to around 1882. We were telling our clients that we advise on a shorter term, on a advisory basis, that that was a good price, and some of them were actually buying gold at that level. Today, the price got up to about 1935, 1937, on its way to 1950. So that was our most recent trade recommendation. It's our current trade recommendation. We do think the price is going to rise. As I said, the Precious Metals Advisory, which came out yesterday, talks about our view that the economic and political and social situation will remain problematic over the next few weeks leading up to the election. There is scope for a lot of political disarray. There's scope for political violence. It's a very scary time to be in the United States, and I sort of envy some of our friends and clients who have relocated to Paris and New Zealand and other places of comfort and interest at this time. But we do think that the problems that the world and the United States are facing will continue beyond November 3rd, and will continue to be stimulating investors to buy both gold and silver, so that our expectation is that the prices of both precious metals will continue to be strong through November into December, and probably well into 2021. It's all spelled out in how the different scenarios could unfold in our Precious Metals Advisory. Single copy, that's an annual subscription publication, but single copies are available. You can go to cpmgroup.com and buy the October issue if you wish to read it. That's all I have really for today. Hopefully you'll have a good weekend, and we'll talk next week. Bye.